Import the DXF DWG drawing file in the BIM editor used as a background reference to define the layout and design the PV system. Use the inclined surface BIM object to define the roof slope. Inclined surface editor easily characterize the slope value. Use the generic volume object to model any obstacles. Position the photovoltaic field and select the modules with the help of the wizard. Obstacles are automatically detected, and the modules are correctly positioned. Connect the inverter to the photovoltaic field, and select it from the ones shown in the compatibility list. General switch panels, together with the presence of any sub-switch panels in AC and DC, are also shown. Select the general switch panel and view the details of the individual panels, and the entire system.